Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. Waiting for my terminal to be usable, one command to start stuff, wait for a few lines to appear, so I know it's ready. My server is ready. I can run whatever still. And okay, should be ready. It runs in the browser. Lost for me. Do I want to still do testing, so I keep my state, I guess. I have here a sniper enemy. Do I fight as, let's fight as musician or tamer? Torwiller? Torwiller is the wrong direction, ball. Be hard, I take musician, I take square. That's aside the enemies, if I come close to them they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP, if it reaches 0 I die. And if I die I get score based on how far away from the middle I died. The goal is get as far away as possible. I get stronger the more enemies I kill, and enemies get stronger the further away I'm from the middle. And this was a short introduction. Now I play until I die. Or win. Is it not hit? I'm the musician, I make music. Let's try a round. Okay. Hard to follow it. More square, I need. I think speed will be most helpful. It's Can I change it? I take slowest and maybe not this important. Let's take shield. This would be here. This is still strange. After more square damage over time. Okay. feel weak. But 10,000, okay. It's 5, so it seems fine. Oh. Okay, but my shield is helping me a lot. Dangerous. Square. Slow on it, I guess. Dangerous stuff, but I can somewhat keep off with my shield. Uh, Squares only. Don't think I need multiply, so another speed, I guess. $15,000 distance. Oh god, oh god, oh god. At 19. Just want a short. Let's increase my shield gain. Slow him. Slow him. And not so many, and my luck with hitting them was low. Okay. Hit him. King fight. Oh, this guy is easy. Might be even... I think this is a cheated one. He doesn't have anything, does he? He doesn't have anything. Okay. Unspectacular fight, because I never gave him any abilities. One million DPS, okay, that's fine. This was 1-1. Now let's see. CCC, what I work on. Increase version is always 350 today. Next, I need to activate my curse fountain thing again. Then I need continue cleanse fountain boss. Where did I leave? I remember they don't have an AI, and I was wondering if I should give them a different one. I think for a moment. and hello, is it wipe coded? No, the use of uh, this is my game. I built it, and the use of AI is very, very low. Maybe less than 1% is was helped with AI. What game is this? I call this game Helmi's game. Doesn't have a clean name. Okay, but I need. I think again. Think I don't have copy once for each cousin. So I don't have HP scaling yet. HP process. I need to figure it out. More cores, more HP. I need still an AI. This is maybe dependent on cores. And is this the last thing which was missing? Then comes the image. Some other cases. Check start condition. Let's check start condition. Continuation. Fountain use. Okay, let's first need to reload, so I have changes in. I am interested in seeing the current state. Unity is gone. So they're staying there, they don't move. I didn't lose my immunity. This is incorrect. Is this missing? Okay, but I need to check. I want my curse poison doesn't remove it. It should do it. It was cleansed. Why is it not happening? Okay, so let's debug. I am in curse poison. Those others. Curse poison. Cleanse function tick. No. Scale. Am I incorrect? Move. Yep. This one. Let's take it. Let's get my sheets on. I can deactivate it now. I press this should activate. I should be a cleansed poison. It's true, so you should go in here. Should find in abilities my. It's not an ability, it's a buff. Okay, I remember. Unity buff, not ability, target. Wait. Do I need? Yes, I need to find it. It's in debuffs. Find. Is it name or type? Seems to be name. Okay. This should fix my problem. I take it, and now I take damage. Okay, let's... So far so good. I want this guy to get the follow, these two use their ability, but I have two follows. Lightning has to follow. This one doesn't need to follow. Maybe always one should run and others just keep distance. Okay, let's make just try it out. I have four bosses. One follows player, other move around randomly, and randomly and use abilities. Okay, let's try this. This would require me to know which boss is doing what. But I can, for start, just give them start versions and let's see. I currently don't know how I give them AI, or I don't remember. Not in map and character. Area bosses, also not its Curse Fountain was. I think do I have an AI tick here? Is it tick function? This doesn't sound correct. Doesn't boss enemy have tick function? Let's see. Move character tick. Tick AI. Okay, I need the tick function. I can take a copy from this one. Tick. Tick, let's call it fountain boss, also it's not that important. Enemy boss character. Is it on boss? Tick function? Twice a character, interesting. So he accepts that it's a different one. This should be... No, he doesn't like it, because why? I'm confused. I copied from boss enemy. Yeah, I have a boss enemy character. And he is fine with this. And the boss enemy character... Oh, okay, it's the same. There is no change. This has to be character. Cache is an import. I need... If he's dead, I return. I think for a moment. I get my fountain boss and const fountain boss character as curse fountain boss enemy. It's not character, it's enemy. Now let's see. I get the players, I determine the closest one. I teleport? No, you don't teleport. Closest min distance is Should I? Oh, I hope this is always the case. And he moves character tick. His abilities. Now I want to change their behavior for uh, also, so let's say I have AI be make a number and Ariana a question mark doesn't tell me anything. Oh, did you not hear my question answering before? Maybe, but a behavior. I give it a number, or no? I want to have it a string, I guess. Better is let's call it cons behavior follow player player. Are you German with this accent? Yes, I'm German. I want, if I create my boss, I need to set it, but I could. Someone should create it, but I don't create it correctly, so I could try to put a default value in. No. I speak in English, German not good enough. I cannot follow. English is can be understood by more people, and it's a little bit of a speaking training. I don't see anything wrong with it. Can have no behavior and have this one if fountain boss AI behavior is follow player, I would let him follow the player this way. Also try to see where I have to make the move tick. Let's see where I create my boss. This was in fountain area. Pascalin's area. Who did you vote for? Hopefully not AfD. It's the only reason I go to vote to someone else than this party. Let's see. Start curse fight. I go over the curses. I copy a boss and curses. Here's a curse. If curse type is curse, who should follow? Lightning should follow. Lightning should start following. I say curse AI behavior. Okay, yes, it is now. Okay, and didn't make it. export so I can use it, and I need to give in fountain was maybe was fountain behavior. It's fountain behavior, let's call it this way. And to set this here, let me should find it, didn't you? Shouldn't you export it? It's a const. What did I do? Eh? How did I manage? I thought I renamed it. Did I rename something else? Oh, I'm confused. But no, this time you should find it. See, I didn't break anything. And with this I should have one boss at least moving now. Take this one. In, I take him. Okay, all all are using the weapons now, correct. One is moving. Didn't I scale them? It's a commit log. Snipe 18,000, I didn't scale them. To what do I scale them? What's up with the dog on screen? That is my self-created model. So you are witnessing my paint skills. It follows what I do, more or less, with my head. Now, the damage is too high. I never move curses. Something is off. I did a copy, but the copy doesn't. The copy removes curses. Here, remove curse from player. The copy resets the character. Okay, perfect. And changes abilities. Is it you do for a living? I am a software developer. Not for games, for companies, but my private time I do it for games basically. Or I learn with programming games. Oh, I forgot what I wanted to do. They shoot too much, so I don't scale the boss abilities. What was the function for it? Scale? How much do you make? It was around 50k, I say. I think let me think. I want to find out how I scaled bosses. The king is not. The god has his own abilities, so king should be the most reasonable one. Somewhere I should king area. I don't think I have king scaling in here. Let's see. Is it in character? Which guy? Do you have an Audi? I don't have a car. Why does the dog on screen never smile? It's because it's a German Shepherd. Do they never smile? I don't know. But, it should, at least for me, it looked like he's smiling, but maybe as a German it's different. But let's continue. I'm still searching where I scale my bosses. Let's try boss enemy. Get boss with level. Find here default boss, great boss. Find boss class based on king. Great boss, great update. Player characters. Something is still. I think every type had its own scaling. Player character class function could be. How did you spend Oktoberfest? I don't go to Oktoberfest. What is Oktoberfest? Say it's an event where most people just drink a lot of beer. On my point of view. I don't remember how I scale my enemies. And if I should do it like this. Great boss with level. Get selected, find boss based on king. So create a boss based on character. And I have the level here. Okay, then I should need the class functions, I guess. They can do that at home any time of the year. Why at Oktoberfest? So they can do it with a lot of other people. My short interpretation of it. Or they have an excuse to get more drunk as normal. I have to find my character classes. It was a long time since I looked into this stuff. The ball. Great boss based and here okay, I set ability boss level is all I need to do. Here I give a level. Okay, let's do this one. So for the curse point I go curse fountain boss. And there's no, it was the area here. I now want to go over all abilities. And ability of. How much AI did you use for this project? It's very little. I even have one video on my channel over it. I think it was around 20 times for, let's say, can IA take over your job? No, not 150k, 50k. A lot less than you understood. In the next 5 years, thoughts. 5 years. Could happen, could not happen. I doubt it currently, but it's possible. Currently, at least, it's just a helper, it cannot replace me. And it has been similar in this regard for the last 3 years, or how long it exists already. So if the right breakthroughs are made in AI, it could happen, but this would affect a lot of jobs too then. The ability of character possibilities, it's called possibilities. I need the ability to boss level. Is this? I have the ability and I want a level. Let's put 10 in for now. With this I should have a better scaling. Let's find out. Take it. Did I miss it? So I was... Okay. Did you hear of this German guy from the 1940s? Never heard of him. Taught in class, taught in school for everyone, so... Okay, so now I getting less damage from these things. Which city do you live in? I won't answer. Let's think. I have now moving bosses. I have them scaled. I don't know if it's fair scaling. Which will only time will tell it and tell me how to scale it. I still need 3 more AI stuff. So I want... Oh, I never cleaned this thing up. Now, I need the West AI behavior. I want boss fountain behavior. Move around, maybe. Move around. I need to define this behavior. Else if which football team do you support? Schalke? No, I don't watch football. So if I watched it, I hoped it was an interesting and not a boring match. I don't think I had a favorite. I think in the past, when I watched a bit more, I just didn't like this Bayern München, which just always won, which was boring. This was it. So I don't move to a character, so I should move my boss should move somewhere. I could just assign a random area. Let's just do move tools and should be fine. What are your hobbies outside work and game development? Playing games, of course. But most stuff I do on computer, so watching YouTube, playing games are the main ones. When you finish the game, will you make any money out of it? This game will never cost any money, most likely. So it's just a hobby. You can also already play it. There is a public link to it. It should be in my video description. If you want to play the current version, it's possible. At least if you're on PC. If you're on mobile, it is playable, but it's just some trying around with it, let's call it. Closest. I just have my move to now. I will set the random, so if Was moved? Why did you? Okay, fountain was move to. I need to set my move direction. Was move direction is calculate direction from fountain boss to fountain boss move to. And this should work already. And I check if I don't have a move to my switch this way. Think a bit. I don't have a move to, so I need a place to move to. So why are you not working on a tower defense game or like a Pokemon 2D game? They will be more popular and more played than a 2D shooter. Will they? I wouldn't know. Probably a different perspective. But I built something I wanted to build, regardless of whether people would play it more. So as it's a hobby, the main thing which keeps us going is my motivation. So it has had to be a game which I like, or I believe I would like. As there's no money value behind it. It's about what I would want to do, not what other might like. So to be able to tell where to move, I have to know where they can move. I would need my area and with the area I have my space where they can move, and then I can take a random position. I have some code. Yeah, I see how to get the area. Here I start with the curse area. Okay, but should be just an ID. So const spawn area is its game state map. Do I spawn area, spawn on distance? I have here find the area, which area ID is the same as no fountain boss. Some ID spawn area ID with. I think this is always existing, so I have the spawn area, then I now need to set my fountain boss move to that never reset. Okay, now I have X something Y something. I never checked if I reached it, so let's make another check. If calculate distance, stupid game, all it says is you died. Doesn't it work? Is it broken, or rather make a better GameStop with this one? Won't happen. So I guess you just die. Okay, Or you don't understand what you have to do. So bad UI. Control zone makes sense. Are you on mobile? If you're on mobile, I agree. Controls are. I'm not a mobile gamer, so I try to do what I saw other doing, but it doesn't work for me. So calculate distance from mountain. No, first. I don't have a move tool. That's here. I definitely have one, so I can calculate distance. We need tutorial for PC so that we can understand game mechanics. Okay, I don't have this video, but the people I tried with at least did or are able to understand how it works. Calculate distance. Mountain boss 2. Mountain boss move 2. He's complaining why. Okay, this is, he doesn't know, but in this case it's existing. If this is smaller, then mountain boss move speed. Is it not move speed? Move speed, base move speed. Might break, but I take it. And I would say fountain boss move 2 is undefined. Now I need I need to calculate. I still have my spawn area. I will need to check. Probably I should start by going to the top left to see if this is correct. So top const top left is I have my spawn area top left, but this is top left chunk. I need chunk to position or something. Map chunk and tile XY to position. I need a tile XY. Okay. Sounds perfect. Tell me again the chunk X, chunk Y, tile chunk X, chunk Y. Question mark? Why question mark? I pick found mass. When the find mass is there, this area should have it. Tile X, tile Y. This is 1, 1, I would assume. Game state map. I have a top left. Now let's move there. Top left. Okay, so I don't set this value yet. Move around. I need to set it. And yeah, else I will was AI behavior will be move around. I check this stuff. I check. They don't move. Not good, not expected. Why not? Move around, goes to here, Z, and I check for the same. Okay, I did make a mistake. Spawned me. No. Move around. Move around. Now I might have fixed it. Take this thing. Here. And still not. So think again. Move around if it's not lightning. Move around, go through here and sets a direction. Top left X, top left Y should set if as long as I find the spawn area. Maybe I do not find it. I don't have a move tool. I have a move tool, I set the move direction. I don't have, probably Fountain was moving, is moving to. And I could set is moving to false here. Okay, next try, if not working, I need to debug. Okay, he's moving. I died too fast. Give me HP. Tanky. Does make me immune? Oh no, I failed. But they moved to the corner. They don't move anymore, so I think I have what I wanted. Now I need the bottom right. Constraint. Let's call it width is plus width. And width is spawn area size times game state map chunk length times game state map tile size and so this is even size. This size game state map chunk length game state map tile size. Something is missing. This would be too big. I need to subtract tile size times 2, I guess. And now I think, because it's square, I can try if I am in the correct corner. And I try out. Take this one up. And thank you. No, I'm too late. But okay, he's down, but I don't know if he was. And I shouldn't make. Yes, I forgot. So this is not correct. They move They try to move over it. Why was this guy so late? Okay, something is not correct here. Yep, I have the area size. I have the chunk length, the tile size, and subtract 2 tiles. It sounds to make sense for me. This is 5. It's the pixels. Times 3. Just for testing now I do 4. Can keep being immune. This makes them move fast, I guess. Let's go. Did I miss? I miss. One more. Interesting. Why is it 3? Because I'm on 1 in already. I moved 2 plus. Okay, now I understand. Now I have thing which makes sense to me. Now I do next random. Random? No. It's next random. There it is. Game state random seed times size. Now they should move around randomly. So I have an AI. Take start. I think this is more or less what I want. But they started on it. Next. I have move around randomly and one follows players. I think the next thing I want to do is if one dies, I want to change the behavior of the next one. Is this possible? I search the next fountain boss and put follow on him. So that I at least have always one follow. Okay, let's try. So on death, I check if it's the last one, else I want to check if fountain boss even have the area already. Fountain boss AI behavior is this is fountain set follow player. Then I need to find a replacement, which I find do I splice them out? Currently unsure. I think I never cleaned up bosses. Is this one dead already? I don't think so. So for let boss of game state boss stuff bosses. if boss type is equals curse character type curse fountain was the first check, and boss state is life, and its boss is not fountain boss, not the queued one I have. Then I would wake and const other fountain boss equals type this boss is found turn boss enemy other fountain boss A behavior will now be boss of follow player and other fountain boss move to will be undefined. Something like this. So now I should change their behavior. Let's try. It's my time even an hour. Let's go here. I take away now tanky, lot of experience, and this is the one who follows me. But yes, so far so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More split. More. Do I have matter? Because it's a legendary. Alright. So one died. This is your something doesn't feel right. I think I killed one by accident. Because they die on the curse area. Did the guy die? Well, I remove everything and then put it in, so yes, you will take and die of it. And I think they take full damage. Full and maybe. Let's see. So the debuff. Debuff. Oh, poison tile does damage based if it's king. It's an enemy, so these three have reduce damage. So this is the case. I do not have the... Yes, they take full damage. Character type. Curse Fountain Boss. I will half it. I don't know which category I should put him. Maybe... Is he on god level or... Let's make an ore here, so I put them to god. Much more resistant to poison. Why are you lagging? I mean, I did give... So why were I able to... Oh, everything fine. I make myself very tanky, now I... Oh, he ticks again. And I don't see the HP. Okay, this is a problem. I need boss HP boss. Mountain boss HP boss. I will check a thing again. Make me immune again. The UI is gone, I don't see HP bars. I now have a lot of stuff. It's fine. And I basically need an image plus HP bars, and then I have something. No, it's still much more missing. And make a fountain boss AI, but without the game, which I keep disabled for now. No. Don't have HP scaling, correct? I have this AI behavior for now. What now? Okay, this one I take away for now. Let's do the HP bars, I would guess. Also cannot see... Do I display? No, I don't display the HP. But for enemy or king I did do it, I guess. Doesn't matter. HP bars, next one. Do I do any specific painting? Boss enemy doesn't have. So king and paint king. and king HP bar. King HP bar has let me think. So I have an HP bar and I just my own function for it. It's exported. I make my own one, I guess. But to be able to call it, I also need my own paint. So I might guess I just start with paint. Fountain was, I think, paint character pets, default. I don't have a crown. And I will check if the fight has started. Is this correct? I need to think a bit. I need to on one hand, the boss should only exist if it started, so checking for it doesn't feel like I need to check, and I will need my own function for it. Back to king enemy. The HP bar, I will base my stuff on it. Maybe I should. I could add 2 or 3 more parameters and I could use it for both. Let's first try around. Paint bar. Paint. This is a paint function behind it. Paint character type, guess. So now I would overlap multiple HP bars over each other. I would need a display name. And I would need temp max number index number. With this I have a fill amount. I have my width, which is now okay. I want to currently believe I want to display them besides each other, but it could happen would be better below each other. Maybe I do both. Let's do 2 beside each other and 1 below. So I have width, which is canvas width divided by 2. It's already divided by 2. This is strange to me. but it is this way. Let's subtract 10, so I have some spacing. I display name plus percent. I did 2 digits, but I don't care, I guess, in this case. So let's do 0. HP bar left. Okay, this now is dependent on my index and my max. So I currently assume I have just... No, I can have a lot. Oh no. What should I do? I should limit it, I guess. If max is bigger 8 and index is bigger bigger equal 8, then I return. So I limit to 8, I guess. I want to need to think a bit more. The left. If I do 2, I don't care about the max, so it will be based upon... There can be 3 cases I want to do, I guess. Or maybe I just do 2. So let's do... I do the index modulo 2. I do it's 0. If it's 0, I do 0. Else I have it something like this. Let's do +5. Something like this. I move it by 5. Make const spacing 10. So do something like this. Now bar height is 20. Let's do if max is bigger than 2 question mark. And else I do 10. It's 10 then 20. I have font size based on height, which is fine. Top 22. I have no idea what top is. Ilrect top. Okay, the top. Now I have HP bar left. I have top. Top can differ because it will be plus max divided by 2 float times, no, this is incorrect. Index divided by 2 float times HP bar height plus spacing, something like this. So if my index is 0, and this is because I've always spacing. Needs to be this way, I guess. And I'm back to 22. Okay, this might make sense. We move it down every 2 indexes. Index 0, index 1 will be 0. Index 2 will be now a 1, so it's moved down a bit. This might work. Line width 1, black, red. Have my data. Stroke. There's a fill percent, so I believe the rest might be fine. Now I need to find out max and number. So for this I go that index is zero. I found was index, and I need max. I need the max, and the max I can const max. So I need const area. I need to find it. Game state. Was it map? So map, it's spawn. I find the area where the area ID is equals my. I need font mouse const fountain boss is character is fountain boss. I have fountain boss dref. Now I should have an area. I do not have an area, I have a problem. Return area. Is it the area I wanted? I'm confused. Boss counter. It is. It's one as I wanted. As this one. Where I have a boss counter. And max is. Can it be undefined if max is a return? Is nothing to do. Now I should have a max. Now I need the fountain boss index. he might be happy. So for was of name state was stuff bosses if boss type is not a type contain character type on boss. No. And I continue, else I check if boss state is not alive. I continue, put it in here. Okay, so now I do if boss is equals character. So I found myself. Found in boss index plus plus. So I haven't found mono. If this is the case, I break. This should give me the index. And maybe this will work. I am something. It's definitely too small. It's the start. Okay, so two changes. It will be four when I change to smaller. The first left was incorrect. Why? Because my index start with 1. Yeah, so here I increase. Now this should fix it. And the text was always in a weird position. Fill text. Yes, it's incorrect. It's not. It is HP bar left. Minus HP bar width halved. Minus text width. Okay, this might be my next try. So I have interestingly the HP bars are not Snipe goes over it. I didn't know. Because it's on character paint. Do I care? I think I don't want it to happen. This doesn't make sense. 92%. It's far lower. So the text is incorrect. And here the thing is missing. HP bar left. Bar width. Text width. Top. I don't see it. Everyone should have the temp value. I have the HP bar left. HP bar width halved. Text width halved. This was perfectly centered, but why was the white missing? I'm confused. Fill rect is P bar left. This is a fill amount. HP bar width. HP bar left and HP bar width. I'm so confused. This doesn't add up. Something doesn't add up. One more try. I might need to debug because I don't see the mistake. So I can pause. The question is, why is this position so perfect, but I feel like it belongs to the white one? So can I scales? I am interested in cross fountain boss in characters, enemy, fountain boss, I paint the HP. Yeah, this should be correct. This one is interesting one. So if I go on over, okay, this is correct. The first text was not painted where it should be, and this one is now painted. Fill text. This is now painted on the left one. How is this possible? Five? I see. I see, this is a plus. Move to the right. Okay, now it makes sense. And interesting that they kill each other. Maybe I shouldn't make him immune. And the poison amount compared to the ice amount is a pretty significant change. But The HP bars are now what I expect. Didn't check if I need to see something. Here is okay. This one is fine to kill first. I take one. Okay. More living. This should be now centered, I guess. Is it always so small? Oh, HP bar left. I have one more case. I don't like it if I will change it. If max is 1, else to 0, HP left is this one, failed, please. Here HP left is was it divided by 4, I guess. And I want this cat, maybe I make 2. Bigger one, I guess. Feel this is hard to read, but 10, 20, 40. One more try. Okay, I forgot to make me immune again. I hope I have it correct. First dead. Some reason he's slowing down, not. No, for now. Okay, and the text needs to be slightly up, I guess. Is the guy outside? The reason it's failing so hard. Maybe, but he should not. Nothing special here. I guess there was some performance bug. But text up by head -2 plus. Did fell off, feel off. Fill text is top. Top is top of the rect plus font size. Font size is painted up +1. This feels correct. HP bar height. I'm confused. It was not not the position I expected. So these look fine. Be careful. This one, okay, I cannot, but this looks like should be 1 pixel higher. But based on my code, I should expect something else. So I have top is 22, plus font size is 38, plus 1. It is not at the top. Shouldn't be affected by anything. This doesn't make sense to me. It's rectangle, I start F on 22. This one. So if I take the plus 1 away, see if this looks more like what I expect. Can take this away. Mist. The guy seems centered. Okay, this is more what I want. So this looks a bit more. I want it to be interesting. It's like different than before for me. I take it. Time 18 minutes. So I think the HP bars are fine. Fountain bars, HP bars. And I don't commit this yet. I this out. So I have to think a bit. I think the multiplayer stuff is check multiplayer other now. The zoom I never checked. Yes, the HP bar needs to be fixed. Same for front mouse. Need to fix this. Now I have 16 minutes left. Maybe I do some scaling sorts. Or I see how does the read not work? I have to check, but okay, let's think about HP scaling from the font mouse. Currently it is set here. And I want to have a total curse, let's call it. with an average curse. I think I take total curse. Don't use var. Did I? Let's check if I used var. This is to be a var. This I don't care for. It's not my code. Get character move position. Select. Important. Using another language I already forgot. Game test. I think it's no different in these few cases, but cleaned up a bit. So for global variable, it's fine. I go back to HP scaling. My idea was I get I make probably my own function for it. Function determine was HP and I want these two. I need the spawn area, I just need the game, I guess. I will return a number, which is the HP. And I should go over each player, each curse, and sum up the level, I guess. Let level sum this curse level sum should be plus equals sum. Oh no, it's the level. I could so if I have a lot of curses, I just add them up, so I have my thought was in multiplayer I might make it harder, but I don't care for now, I guess. And now I want to have a scaling. And I guess it's maybe quadratic or something. Let's make it const base. HP is like, could do, if I would do 1 billion. Const HP factor, and then I return base HP times HP factor, and then I have something. So Ace should be happy about this. Now I have basically I want 1 plus let's say Course level sum. Based where I spawn this thing. Might be too easy or too hard. And billion is... Let's do course level sum times course level sum divided by 1000 or so. So if my if I would have 100 times 100 would be 10,000, would go to 10 times 10 billion, which is a lot if I am don't even need, this would be 10. Don't need brackets, doesn't make a difference. Now if I do 10 times 10 divided by 1000, it would be 100, 0.1. Oh, it's even, it's +1, I forgot. Should put it in 1.1. And if I have 1000 times 1000, right, by 1000 plus 1, it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then I divide 1, 2, 3. So I would be on 1 trillion. I know. Maybe that's fair, maybe not. I guess I take it for now. Scones plus HP is aim. This is what I set here, so it's now a lot higher. For testing purposes, I could keep it lower. Let's see. Maybe I check my God course to see what I did with this in HP. HP is 1 million, 1 billion. Okay, and this is basically, this is 5 billion. And I think I have times 100 for my hard mode. I can also do it like this. Okay, let's consider it be in the end, I need to check if play test it to see if it works out. I HP testing is hard, but this is just one version now. And I should come to an end soon, so let's unten was HP scaling commit. So now I have some HP scaling. I still need a few stuff, so not today. It will be deactivated for now. And now I should run my game tests again, so and see if everything still works. Expectation is everything should still work. And if everything is fine, I guess I am reaching my end for today. I drink a bit while I watch. Okay, two missing ball and musician, and then expect all. I expect all to still work. So I basically never changed anything. Okay, everything still works. So I can push it. Pushing it will mean it gets deployed. I have my notes. They are still correct. I know what to continue next time. So I guess I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.